Since we're getting a lot of rain today in Alabama, I'm gonna go ahead and debadge my motor cowl. It hasn't had stickers on it since the 80s, but the motor still runs like it's brand new, and that's all that matters. I ain't been fishing none today due to the storms coming in. This is the outer. The bad stuff coming in tomorrow. We steadily getting a little spots of storms here and there, but it's enough to keep me off the water. I can deal with the wind and the waves. I don't deal with lightning unless I'm in it trying to get back to shore. But back to my motor cowl. I'm gonna thought about doing back the red stripe. I'm gonna have them done custom and go back the Johnson emblem with the 70 and mossy oak to match the boat brand and boat numbers, which is on the front of the boat. I got a Garmin sticker right there done in the camo, and my switch panel is done in camo too. So I'm gonna swap them seats here probably next week, get them old busted seats out of here. They still work, but I want to update them. They coming unsewed in certain spots right there. I'm gonna put them mossy oak. Gonna look good. But you all have a safe day. If you're in Alabama, try to stay safe in this storm coming in. It's supposed to be even worse come tomorrow, so y'all stay safe. Talk to y'all later. Bye.